Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting their MIDI controllers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off device. Begin by turning off your MAUDIO Oxygen 25 controller. Make sure it's completely disconnected from any power source. Step 2. Find Octave buttons. Locate the Octave and Octave Plus buttons on the keyboard. These will be crucial for initiating the reset. Step 3. Press Octave buttons. Hold down both Octave and Octave Plus buttons simultaneously while the device remains powered off. Step 4. Connect to power. Connect your device to a power source. Continue holding the buttons until the keyboard lights up. Step 5. Complete reset. Wait for the keyboard to power up entirely. Keep holding the buttons until the reset is confirmed. Step 6. Release buttons. Release the buttons. Now your keyboard should be reset to its original factory settings. Now your MAUDIO Oxygen 25 should be reset to factory settings and ready to use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other MAUDIO users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.